Hi, today we're gonna make salmon fried rice. We use about 4 ounces of salmon, and you take the no skin, take the skin off and cut it in square pieces like that. Marinate them a little bit with a little bit of white pepper and salt. Just sprinkle some of them in it. A little bit of sesame seed oil. After that, you put a teaspoon of cornstarch in it. All right, maybe a little bit more until you can see just a little bit. Okay. Then a little oil. Okay, then we're gonna put a little oil in the pan here to heat up the pan. We're gonna put that fish inside we're gonna cook that first. Yeah, if you're gonna put some cornstarch in for the little coating, that will help it won't be stick that much, Otherwise they stick to the pan. Also, you want to heat up the pan real hard, you know. Also, you're gonna sprinkle some of the gingers in it, little bit. Just chop up gingers in the fish with that fish to frying up same time. That will make the fish smell better. The fish are real easy to cook. You just cook them a little bit at one time on one side, it should be okay. Or you can try to check it later. See, you go press it down, see you can go full, and otherwise they not cook. See, you can poke through that fish, so you can see they're cooked. See, you can just go through it, if they not punch. Yeah, try this. You can see it. You can go. See, they're cooked. All right. Then this is okay. So you can pick this up. And you put more oil in it. All right. Then we're gonna put 2 eggs in it. Just put two eggs in it. Or if you want more, you can put more in it. But, I think 2 is enough. You cook the eggs, you want to make sure they cook before you put any other things in it. You don't want it kind of still running, see, like that. And you want to make sure they are cooked fully. So at least they like that, until like that. Then you put the other stuff in it. Couple handful of chopped red onions, or you can use white onions. Teaspoon or so of gingers, chop up gingers in it, and some bean sprout. Okay, then now we're gonna put the rice in it. We use about 2.5 cup of rice in it. Break them down a little bit so they don't stick together, See, you have to cook it a little bit more to kind of try to browning the rice a little bit more, and also they're breaking them off a little bit so they don't stick together. Just like that. They don't stick on the bottom, so they're not that bad. Okay, then we're gonna put a little bit more white pepper on it. Just sprinkle some white pepper on it. Just some. Alright, then now we're gonna put some little bit more green onions into it. Okay, then we're gonna put the salmon in it right now. Also, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it, and some soy sauce. People like it dark color for fried rice, but some people, if they don't want a dark color fried rice, so you don't put soy sauce in it. So you put little salt in it, instead of soy sauce. I think that's it. All right. Okay, then we put the onion on top. Okay, this is the salmon fried rice.